So what's going on, team? This is the most money I've ever had invested in AMC stock. This is what the whole purpose of this video is, and I'm going to share with you exactly why. It's not just for no apparent reason. Right now, AMC is up over 11% on the day. I have only 25, not only, I have 2,500 shares on my Webull account. A lot of you guys know that have followed me for a while. My main account is my Fidelity account. That's the one that has the largest lump sum. On AMC and my Fidelity account, this is when AMC was up 7%. AMC as of right now is up over 11%. So as you guys can guess, I'm up a lot more than this as of right now. Total since purchase, again, I'm day trading AMC. I'm not going to pretend to do something that I'm not actually doing. I'm not holding AMC. I'm holding a portion of my position on my Webull account. I think I held 2,000 shares. But when it comes down to my Fidelity account, I'm very, very strict on myself when it comes down to managing my risk. So I'm going to be selling my shares, but right now there's a lot of activity, and this is why I'm sharing this with you. I have 10,000 shares. The total amount of originally invested is $585,000, but because of how much it's gone up, I've made $40,000 today alone. Why? Why would someone buy so much of AMC within a very short period of time? What I shared with the Learn Plan Profit group yesterday is something that we have all been aware of, right? This resistance level at $60 a share. And it is so important for you guys to understand that once it broke above $60 a share, now there's a lot of momentum. This was a previous resistance level, and it is so important for you to understand that now that we broke above that resistance level, we have the potential to gap up to previous highs of 70, 77, or even beyond that. This is where, the to the moon phrase comes into place. I'm not here to ever encourage you to do something that you don't want to do. If you want to take advantage of this risky stock and this bullish momentum, then great, so be it. I'm up over $18,000 on the overall open with 2,500 shares, or $16,000 on the day. I love updating you guys both on my green days and of course my red days. It is part of the process. AMC is a risky stock. I simply wanted to share with you that because of that break of that resistance level and this gap up, it wouldn't be much of a surprise that a lot of the momentum and a lot of more people would be much more motivated to take advantage of this opportunity, as now we're actually indicating signs of an uptrend. I want to get an update for you guys on how much I'm up on AMC. So overall on AMC so far as of right now, I'm up over 10% with my overall position at 585,000. So I'm up $58,841 as of right now. This is not a normal day. I'm not going to pretend like it is. I have a lot of money into AMC. It's 10%. Use that as a comparison to whatever it is that you're investing or trading with. AMC is a risky stock. I'm always here to encourage you to do what is best for your future self. If you want to hold because that's what you want to do for the cause, all power to you. If you want to lock in profits, if you want to follow with the trailing stop loss, if you want to reduce your position size, do whatever is best for your future self. I am always here to encourage you to do that, to put your future self in a better position in which you are as of right now. Understand that this is a risky stock, but understand that, today should be really interesting. One of the things that I do want to test out is while you're watching this video, if this momentum continues, I think it should be super interesting. Comment down below what price AMC is currently at as of right now. I want to see if we can catch it when it breaks above $65 a share, if it breaks above $70 a share, if we break all-time highs at $77 a share. It's up over 12% on the day, and it doesn't look like it's stopping. So I'm super excited to follow up with it. It looks like we're about to make new highs once again. There it goes, $64, $64.40. And I'm gonna just do my part in simply taking advantage of an opportunity that's presenting themselves. So if you guys want to see one of my live trading sessions and want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, just make sure you guys click the second link down below, and I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. I hope that I earn your thumbs up. If you guys think that AMC is going to the moon, don't forget to subscribe. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.